This is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Dropbox in 30 Minutes, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to find an old photo that you've synced to Dropbox. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. So we are in Dropbox.com. I'm not using the Dropbox app on the desktop, and I'm not using it on my phone. And the reason is because if you log into Dropbox.com, as you can see up here in the upper left corner, you have a lot more power to search for stuff and find stuff regardless of where it's stored, as long as it has been synced to Dropbox. So click on the home icon, upper left corner, and then you'll see an option that says Photos. And basically what this is going to do, this is going to show you all the photos that you've synced to Dropbox going back years in my particular case. Now, I want to be clear about something. This isn't all of the photos I've taken. It's just the ones that I've synced to Dropbox using different applications or using special folders that always update to Dropbox. And you can see the way that it's organized. It's organized by month. So August 2025, July 2025, keep on scrolling back. And basically one way you could find the photo is just by kind of manually scrolling through it and trying to locate that particular photo. Now, there's a couple tips, other tips that I have here. One, if you know that the photo wasn't uploaded in the last month, in the last few months, and you want to quickly go to like either a month that was a long time ago or a year that was a long time ago, on the right side of the screen, you can see that there's this little scroll bar. It's kind of dim, but basically it goes back in time using all these different months. So let's say I wanted to go back to April 2024. So then it would basically generate the pictures. These are the pictures that I was working on in April 2024. These are all associated with another book that I published. You can also actually select years. And basically what that will do, it will switch the view to the year view. And then on the right side, you can see 2025, 2024, going back all the way to how long I've had my Dropbox account, which is for a long time. So one final tip for finding photos in Dropbox, if the browsing method does not work, basically what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar in the very top corner and at the very top of the screen in Dropbox.com, and then just search for it. So it says search for keywords, people, and tags. So this is assuming that you've either tagged the photo or you've identified the person in the photo, or the file name contains the name of something that's related to the photo. And that's actually a pretty big requirement. So let's say that I wanted to search for photos of Richard Nixon that I've saved to my Dropbox account, and I know that I have a couple. And you can see them right here. Nixon, Elvis, 1970. So it's going to show this particular photo, which I saved in my Dropbox account. This is a Library of Congress photo, so this is kind of public domain type of photo. But if I didn't have the name for that photo, like let's say it was just a random string of numbers and letters, this would not show up, because Dropbox currently, it's not using AI to determine what's in the photo. Like, for instance, if I searched for Elvis, it would search through all my photos and find photos with Elvis. It's not that sophisticated yet, so that's not an option. But basically, those are the ways that you can find photos that have been synced to Dropbox in the past. Sometimes it can, rescue or resurrect an old photo that you assume was lost, or maybe your other photo collection in Google or in Apple has been destroyed somehow or lost, and you want to find some photos that might have somehow been synced to Dropbox, and this is the way to do it. So the first way to do it is to go to Photos, and you can start to browse photos like I've showed you before using the years or the months or even the days. The other way is to search for specific terms in the search bar, and hopefully something will come up as long as it's been tagged or named properly. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.